Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through the supplements that you're going to be taking in stage 1 of the cleanse, the activate stage of the cleanse. So some of the supplements you'll be taking the whole 30 days through, and some of the supplements are for particular stages of the cleanse. But don't worry, just follow along with me and you'll know what you're doing. So one thing that we do take for the 30 days completely is the digestive enzymes, our Terrazyme. So these are to take at the beginning of each meal, and I like to take one first thing in the morning, because even on an empty stomach, because it's going to help to eat up any undigested foods from supper. It's going to help eat up any yeast that's in your system. So if you take one of these first thing in the morning and then one before each meal, so one before lunch and one before supper. If you're going to have like a really heavy meal, if you're going out to a restaurant or you're eating something a little bit richer, then I'd recommend to take two. But generally speaking, you're going to be taking one first thing in the morning, one before lunch and one before your supper. So those are your digestive enzymes, and they're going to help to break down your food and help you to absorb the nutrients better. This is something that I take every single day. Then you're also going to be taking your lemon oil throughout the 30 days. So your lemon oil, if you've got it, just crack it open and have a smell. Doesn't it smell so delicious? So I'm going to be giving you some other ways that you can use your lemon oil, but for the purpose of the cleanse, you're using it to drink. So what that looks like is if you get yourself a glass bottle. This is actually 800 mils. You don't need to get one quite so big, but if you get yourself a 500 ml, half a litre glass bottle, and then what I'd love you to do is to be putting a drop of your lemon oil in it 4 times a day, so that you're drinking a total of 2 litres of water with 1 drop of lemon oil each time you refill your bottle. And the lemon oil is going to be gently cleansing on your digestive organs, pulling out toxins and helping you to excrete them. So just a couple of things to note: please only use your oil in glass, not in plastic, because it's going to pull the petrochemicals out of plastic. Make sure that you start your morning with your lemon oil. If you want to do a combination of lemon oil and fresh lemon, completely your choice. If that feels good, go for it. Know that the lemon oil is higher in antioxidants than lemon juice, but doesn't contain any vitamin C, which lemon juice does. So just slightly different benefits. But your lemon oil is something, again, that you can use during the cleanse and going forward from that. There are other flavors as well that you can try if you like: lime, wild orange, tangerine, green mandarin. Some of my favorites. It just helps to make your water more interesting, but also giving you a lot of benefit whilst you drink your water as well. So that's your lemon oil. And then your lifelong vitality pack. So we've got 3 different supplements in here, and you are taking 2 of each one twice a day. So that's 6 of these guys twice a day. And it doesn't matter when. It can be morning and lunch, it can be morning and supper, it can be lunch and supper. If you're very sensitive to if you notice that you're not able to sleep well, then don't do it at supper time, do it at morning and lunch. But for me, I'm fine to take them at supper time. So a little bit individual, depending if you're very sensitive to, there's no caffeine in there, but very sensitive to things that help you to feel more energetic. So this you're going to be taking twice a day, total of 6, so 2 of each. And I know that sounds like a lot, but one of the reasons that you're taking 2 of each is because these are done within an amount that's absorbable for the body. And if we take too much of a vitamin at one go, we end up excreting some of it. So this has been purposefully created in this manner so that you are getting all of what you need in a way that's absorbable for your body, which is really important. And once it becomes a habit, it's very easy to stick to it. But whilst you're making it a habit, you might need to set a reminder in your phone, just like, you know, set your reminder at 1 o'clock and 8 o'clock, just saying, have I taken my supplements, or something like that, and just have a little alarm going so that you just get into the habit of finishing your meal and going to take your supplements. And I promise you, it will become a habit. Like, I feel like I've forgotten something if I don't do it. So that's your lifelong vitality. That's all your vitamins and minerals. It's your omega fats. It's your cellular vitality. So it's what's going to be giving you like the foundation of everything that you need. Full of vitamins, full of nutrients, full of goodness. So it's brilliant. Then we've got your detoxification blend soft gels, and you're going to be taking one of these with each meal. So you can, I recommend you start with one. You can go up to 2, but in the first 10 days, we'll stick with 1. So take 1 after each, sorry, let me just check. Yes, after 2 meals. So you're going to be taking a total of 2 of these a day, and you can take 1 after breakfast and 1 after supper, or 1 after lunch and 1 after supper, up to you. But so we're taking a total of 2 twice a day. And these are your Zendocrine soft gels. These are our detoxification oils. So this is just essential oils in here. And they're helping to support our elimination and help to support our detoxification pathways, helping them to be more efficient and to work to their full capabilities. And then lastly, your Zengest, your Digestive Blend. This is just to take as and when you need. So whenever during the 30 days you feel that you're maybe a little bit bloated, a little full, if you've got any constipation, then you want to be taking your Zengest to help digest your meal better. So we've got in here peppermint and fennel and tarragon and anise and caraway, all incredible oils. Again, this is just a blend of essential oils, all oils to help you to feel like you're digesting your food more effectively and to get rid of any bloat. So yeah, just take this whenever you need. You might just want to get into the habit of taking 1 at night time before you go to bed, if you're going to bed with a little bit of a full belly. But yeah, just as and when you need it. But they're fantastic. So that's the total of your supplements during phase 1. Now, a tip with taking pills, because obviously you are taking a lot of pills, I understand that it might be more than you're used to. A good tip with it, quite often when we take a supplement, we tilt our head back. That's actually blocking how the pill is going down our throat. So don't tilt your head back when you take your supplements. In fact, tilt your head a little bit forwards, put the supplements in your mouth, put the water in your mouth with your head tilted forwards, and then just lift your chin and your nice open throat, and they'll all go down. So that's just a little tip for helping to make taking your supplements a little easier. Don't lift your chin, keep your head a little tilted forwards. So if you've got any problems, any questions with taking your supplements, please let me know. You may get some detoxification die-off symptoms. It's completely normal. You may have a little bit of headaches. You may have a little bit of nausea. Your belly may feel a little different. You may be a little bit more frequent going to the bathroom. All of that is completely normal within the first 10 days. It really, it really should level off. But of course, if you've got anything that you're unsure about or you're worried about, just send me a message. I'm here to help and support you. And yeah, that's all. I hope that you're excited. I hope that you're feeling ready. And if you've got any questions, let me know. Take care. Bye, guys.